everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. And thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 20th to the 22nd of November 2023 on Monday. Petheni is forced to rehire the domestic workers and the Sibongile. Kodwa nomalanga akajabulile ngaleso sinqumo. Zakes suspects that uVelepi is out with Sugar Daddy when she is not home yet, but he is wrong on Tuesday. Unamalanga nogcina conspire against Sibongile and she begins to feel as if she is walking with target on her back. Deliwe gives uVelepi a lecture to focus on her child and her future husband from now on Wednesday. Ugcina overhears a conversation phakathi kaDeliwe noPhetheni and gains ammunition against uSbongile, and Sibongile is stand to learn that she's been paying for Deliwe's debt. Zakes finally confront Velepi about paternity test results. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.